Okay, well, here it is. I'm finally able to work on a fairly clean workbench for a change. I see what the guy's talking about when I put it on the bench and I tested this thing out. It's actually very clean inside. It's easy to see. It's easy to see things in there, in the nooks and crannies. Uses this funny plug. Yeah, it's a male plug, so this is the only kind of power plug that I had around. You can kind of see the new Vista in there. It's kind of a unique, these things are not particularly expensive if it's bad. I think you're around $20 or something like that I saw. I think there's only one. Somebody's marked it with pen. I'm not sure what that means. Someone might have serviced this or had a look at it. There's a cap there. I'll check all the caps first. Replace all the caps. That's the old adage. But I like this thing. When I saw it, I thought, oh wow, this, and it meant to go in a rack. I thought this was the coolest old beast I've seen in a while. Really rugged. Really rugged. That's the fine tune. It's the fine tune there. And then that's a coarser tune. Oh. It'd be cool if that lights up. And then there's some, I don't know if I get more light down there or what. There's the range control. And I changed it to every range. I didn't see anything other than what the guy's talking about. The voltage goes up and down, basically. I don't know, it was going up and down more before. There, it seems like I had it go up and down higher. It floats up and then I pull it down. Yeah, remove this. That's what it's doing. Let's see if I can get the voltage here. So they say in the service manual, it says it says somewhere in here, but I'm not going to waste your guys' time. I'm looking for it quickly, but if I don't find it, it said in the specs somewhere, like it was some of the main, I think it said 20 volts maximum, and I'll probably never use that kind of voltage. But you do have a very nice, I'm gonna have to do the pilot lamp, so it comes apart really nicely. It's got like a quick disconnect thing on the back there. It's meant to go in a rack mount. So there was like this extra piece that you would get. You'd have to buy to fit it in there. Oh yeah, jeez. Over 20 volts open circuit. I guess 160 milliwatts into 600 ohms is maximum power. But the distortion and stability is pretty low for this old thing. That's the name of the power cable. I never heard of that before. Something new anyways. Something new to test out. Okay, so yeah, that's what this thing's gone back up now. See, so like it seems to go up to what 1.34 volts. That's me bringing it down. Oh yeah, if it'll slowly float up. That's what the guy's talking about. Slowly floats up to maximum. Well, we have to look at this one component at a time, I guess. First the caps, maybe take some voltages around the circuit. It's not particularly complicated in terms of the circuit. I posted it there for you guys, and it's easy to work on. It's not like a very elaborate beast. I hope I can get it running for cheap. I got it for 30 bucks, so I thought, okay. The guy said it's clean, but it doesn't work, and it's like from the 50s or something. And there was like 6 people looking at it when I was looking at it, and there was one like it that sold, like it had 10 people looking at it. I was about to put a bid in, and then it sold automatically. So this one was actually closer to me in Toronto, and I decided to just bite the bullet and get it as is. So yeah, we'll take it apart and see what kind of voltages are sitting on around the amplifier section